If you want to hard reset your Xiaomi 17 by using recovery mode, then first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. So in order to do that, we're gonna open the power menu by using the power button and volume up button at the same time. And then what you need to do is you want to reboot your phone. Now, once this circle disappears, you want to press and hold volume up button. There we go. Now I'm gonna press and hold volume up. And now we need to wait to go to the recovery mode. So just keep holding the volume up button all the time. Even if you see the Xiaomi logo, you just still want to keep holding it. And soon we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Now once we open the recovery mode, in here we can navigate by using volume button. So we can move volume, so you can use volume up and volume down in order to choose the position below or above. And in here we want to choose wipe data option. You want to confirm your choice by using the power button. There we go. And then confirm once again by choosing wipe all data. And in case you go back to this main menu of the recovery, and then in here you want to choose the reboot option in order to restart your phone and go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.